What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys what's in my gym bag. I got this bag from Shein. I love that it comes with many pockets. I want to start off with my side pocket and show that I have my keys in here, and then show you guys my snacks. Like, I love to stock up. I keep snacks on me because I don't like being hungry. Okay, now I have some Kind bars. I also have this gum that I got from Walmart, some cashews, and another healthy bar that I got from Whole Foods. Now this gum is something new, energy focus gum. It's like a caffeine gum, and I love trying new snacks, so I'm always into it. And then I have my headphones because I will not listen to that gym music. I hate it with a passion. And then I have my lock that I got from Walmart. Also, I have this cute little pouch that I purchased from Shein. I only paid $1. I keep my pads, my panty liners, and disposable bags because I do not want to have an accident, girl. Like, I would be too embarrassed. By the way, I get my disposable bags from the dollar store in the baby section. Next, I have my wallet, and then I have this vegan creatine that I got from Amazon. I am new to this supplement. I'm going to try it for 30 days and let you guys know what I think about it. I like to pair it with this fruit punch water that I get from Whole Foods, and then I just shake it up in my blender bottle. Prior to me going to the gym, this is how I like to mix my supplement. So I take my blender bottle, I only add 1 scoop of the creatine to my blender bottle, and then I add my vitamin fruit punch. Again, I get this from Whole Foods. I only paid $1.49, and I love that it's loaded with vitamins. And then I just shake it up. Once again, ladies, I am new to this supplement, so I'm trying to see how my body is going to respond. I love that it doesn't have a taste, so I can put it in my smoothies, and yeah, it's only popping if this works. My next supplement is the Riot energy drink. I love the ingredients. I get this from Whole Foods, and I keep this in my gym bag all the time. That little drink be having me lit, y'all. Okay. And then I also keep my water with me. I always look for water that's on sale. And then I like to bring a couple of books. So I like to get a quick read in when I'm at the gym. I like to read when I'm on the bike. And I have my little hygiene pouch. I wasn't able to stuff everything in my little pouch, but I'm still going to show you guys everything that's in my bag. So I like to bring some SPF resetting spray by Supergoop, and then I like to bring some moisturizer by Belief, some Vaseline, you can't go wrong, and moisturizer. I have my lip gloss, I have a fanny pack. Sometimes I wear this when I am working out, and then I have my waist trainer, and then I have a set of knee gloves. I use that when I'm squatting. And then there is Shantae. Now Shantae gonna help me get that content by any means necessary. I can flip her around, I can wrap her around a machine. I love this tripod, and I got her from Amazon. That's my girl. This is my home girl. All right. And then I have my weightlifting gloves. Next, I have my resistance bands. I keep a few on me, but I use the red one majority of the time. I'm using that one when I'm doing a glute warm up. And then I have my rope, my jump rope, and my ankle strap when I'm doing cable kickbacks, and my barbell pad for squatting. And I didn't have this in my hygiene pouch, but this is in my bag, my Dr. Teal's aluminum free deodorant. I love the smell, y'all. It smells so good. My sanitizer by Trader Joe's, and this dry shampoo. So yep, I got this in my little bag, y'all. I wanted to make sure that everything was organized, so when I get done working out, I could come straight to my locker and get my supplement. The cool thing about this vegan creatine, it is a pre-workout and post-workout supplement. So I'm looking forward to seeing how this is going to work for me. Now it's time to work out. If you are new to my channel, you may not know I used to hate the Stairmaster. I couldn't last for 2 minutes on the Stairmaster. I'm talking about, y'all, I used to be like barking like a dog, sweating everything, only on the machine for 2 minutes. Now I am in love with the Stairmaster. I will credit the Stairmaster for helping me lose weight as well as eating clean. Prior to me using the Stairmaster, I was having a difficult time losing weight. So I came in and I'm like, you know what, let me do 30 minutes. I got my water and Shantae, you know she gonna be posted. And I'm making sure that I have the correct form as I always do. And I'm about to get it in. You need a fire playlist when you are on the Stairmaster. If you don't have good tunes, it ain't gonna work. I love listening to Creed 2 soundtrack. Baby, when I put that on, it's on and popping. I'm talking about I be humping. Do you hear me? You heard what I said, sis? It's go time when I put on that Creed 2 soundtrack. I be feeling like I'm Adonis Creed. I did a quick 20 minutes on the bike and I feel amazing. That's the perfect time for me to read. If you love to read, try reading while you're on the bike. You may like it. It's time for me to take my supplement again. Remember, this is a pre and post workout supplement. I am going to do a review for you guys, just letting you know my experience. I wanted to try it out because a lot of people in the health and fitness industry speak highly of this supplement, so I will be sharing my thoughts with you guys. But anyway, thank you so much, ladies, for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel, and I will see you at the next Sharde TV film. Bye, girl.